Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best slide hammers that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Orion Motor Tech Vice Grip Slide Hammer. This product combines a 9.8-inch locking pliers tool with a 2-pound slide hammer, making it a compact and versatile option for smaller repair tasks. The quick-release swivel connector is a standout feature, allowing you to easily detach and maneuver the tool in tight spaces, which is ideal for precision work. Whether you're removing nails, bolts, or pins, this tool is designed to handle a variety of small-scale tasks with ease. In terms of design and build quality, the Orion Motor Tech Vice Grip Slide Hammer is made with tough Q345 and CRV steel, ensuring durability and resistance to rust. The locking pliers offer a firm grip with serrated teeth and a user-friendly quick-release lever, making one-handed operation a breeze. However, its compact size and lighter hammer weight mean it's not suited for heavy-duty jobs, which may limit its appeal to professionals working on larger automotive components. While this slide hammer offers solid performance for its size, it's best suited for DIYers and mechanics working on lightweight repairs. It's not as versatile as other options on this list, but for those needing a tool for small-scale tasks or tight spaces, it's a handy solution. Pros include its compact design, excellent grip, and ease of use. On the downside, its limited weight and overall scope make it less effective for heavy-duty applications. At number 4, we have the Carvalax 12-way slide hammer puller set. This 23-piece toolkit is designed for a wide range of applications, including dent repair, bearing removal, and rear axle extraction. The variety of interchangeable attachments, such as internal and external pullers and dent pullers, ensures that you have the right tool for almost any job. The ergonomic grip and precise slide hammer mechanism enhance user control, making it an excellent option for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. Built with high-quality carbon steel and chrome vanadium steel components, the Carvalax puller set is designed to withstand rigorous use. Its durable black carrying case adds convenience by keeping the tools organized and portable. Weighing in at 21.2 pounds, this set is heavier than most, which might make it less suitable for quick, lightweight tasks. However, the added weight is a testament to the heavy-duty nature of the tools included. While the Carvalax 12-way slide hammer puller set offers exceptional versatility and durability, it may be overkill for those who only need a set for occasional, lightweight tasks. The price point is also a consideration, as it's aimed at users who plan to make the most of its comprehensive capabilities. Pros include its versatility, heavy-duty build quality, and ergonomic design. Cons include its bulkiness and a slightly steep learning curve for beginners. Taking the third spot is the Orion Motor Tech 9-way slide hammer puller set. This all-in-one toolkit is perfect for a variety of pulling applications, from removing flange-type rear axles to pulling dents and press-fit parts like bearings and bushings. The set includes both 2-jaw and 3-jaw pullers for internal and external tasks, providing unmatched versatility. Its durable carbon steel and chrome vanadium steel construction ensures that the tools you stand up to heavy use without cracking or corroding. One of the standout features of this set is its organization. All 15 pieces are housed in a sturdy carrying case, making it easy to keep track of your tools. The 5-pound slide hammer provides just the right amount of force for most jobs. And the multifunction adapters make this set a go-to for professionals and DIYers alike. Its universal fit further adds to its appeal, allowing it to work on a wide range of vehicles and components. While this set is highly versatile and well-built, it's worth noting that it's slightly less comprehensive than some of the other options on this list. It's an excellent choice for medium-duty work, but may not have the range of attachments needed for niche or heavy-duty applications. Pros include its durability, versatility, and user-friendly design. The only real con is that it might not be sufficient for more specialized or extreme tasks. Coming in as the runner-up is the Aries 12,125 Master Slide Hammer Puller Set. This 10-way puller set is a highly versatile option for tasks such as bearing removal, seal pulling, and dent repair. It includes a 5-pound slide hammer and a variety of attachments, including 2-jaw and 3-jaw pullers, reverse bearing puller adapters, and a dedicated hook puller. The set's design ensures compatibility with most standard attachments, making it a practical addition to any toolbox. What sets the Aries Master Slide Hammer apart is its exceptional durability. Constructed from cast iron and carbon steel with corrosion-resistant coatings, this toolset is built to last. The included carrying case keeps everything organized, so you can quickly grab the right tool for the job. With a weight of nearly 20 pounds, it's a solid choice for heavy-duty applications, though it may feel bulky for lighter tasks. The Aries Master Slide Hammer Puller Set is perfect for professionals who need a reliable tool set for a wide range of automotive and mechanical jobs. Its heavy-duty build and extensive attachments make it a top-tier option, but its higher weight and price may deter casual users. Pros include its durability, extensive range of tools, and professional-grade build quality. Cons are its bulkiness and potentially higher cost for hobbyists. And finally, taking the top spot is the Gear Wrench 10-way slide hammer puller set. This product strikes the perfect balance between performance, price, and versatility. For just $80.50, you get a comprehensive toolkit that includes a 5.5-pound slide hammer, 2- and 3-jaw pullers, and a variety of adapters and screws. This set is perfect for both professional mechanics and DIYers who want a reliable solution for tasks like pulling bearings, seals, and gears. The Gear Wrench set is built with alloy steel components and a polished finish, ensuring long-lasting durability. The jaws can be set up for both 2-jaw and 3-jaw configurations, giving you the flexibility to handle a wide range of pulling tasks. The included carrying case keeps all the components organized, so you're never fumbling around for the right part. The polished finish not only adds to its aesthetic appeal, but also protects against rust and wear. What really sets the Gear Wrench apart is its exceptional value. At its price point, it offers a level of quality and versatility that is hard to beat. While it may lack some of the specialized attachments found in more expensive sets, it covers all the essentials with ease. Pros include its affordability, robust build quality, and versatility. The only con is that it may not have the extensive range of tools needed for niche tasks. Overall, it's the best choice for most users, offering unbeatable performance for the price. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.